Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about countries you'd like to learn more about. So let's get started. What country or culture do you want to know more about? I want to learn more about Japan. A country that intrigued my curiosity is Japan. Another question you could be asked is, where is this country or culture located? Japan is situated in East Asia, or you could say, geographically, Japan is positioned in a region of East Asia. How did you come to know about this country or culture? I learned about Japan through books and documentaries, or my knowledge about Japan has grown through reading books and watching documentaries. Why do you find this country or culture interesting? Its rich history and unique traditions captivate me. Or the captivating combination of its rich historical background and distinct cultural traditions makes Japan truly intriguing to me. Okay, that's all the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me at home, as it's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand. The allure of Japanese culture. Its cultural richness is deeply rooted in history, arts, language, and societal values that have evolved over centuries. Japan's blend of ancient traditions and modern innovation creates a cultural landscape unlike any other. While advanced technology thrives in urban centers like Tokyo, ancient temples and traditional tea houses maintain their prominence, providing a contrast that fascinates visitors. Japanese culture is characterized by its ability to seamlessly intertwine tradition and modernity. One of Japan's most iconic traditions is the tea ceremony, known as Chanchoyo or Seidan. This practice involves meticulous rituals of preparing and serving matcha, a powdered green tea, in aesthetically pleasing manner. The tea ceremony reflects Japanese ideals of harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Ikebana, the Japanese art of flower arrangement, emphasizes minimalism and asymmetry. It is a representation of nature's beauty in a harmonious form. Similarly, origami, the art of paper folding, showcases the meticulous precision and creativity of Japanese artisans. Hanami, the tradition of appreciating cherry blossoms, symbolizes the transcendent nature of life and the beauty of impermanence. Japan's cherry blossom season is a globally renowned event that attracts tourists and locals alike. The intricate social hierarchy embedded in Japanese society reflects in the different depths and parts. Japanese culture places great importance on proper etiquette and politeness. Bowing is a fundamental gesture of respect and is used to convey gratitude, apology, and greetings. Japanese culture encompasses a harmonious blend of cultural heritage and modern dynamism. Its ability to preserve and celebrate tradition while embracing progress makes it a compelling and enriching subject for exploration. Okay, that's the reading passage. I hope you found that interesting. Next up is our range of vocabulary and expressions for you to go away and incorporate into your everyday English usage. Historical traditions. Cultural heritage, rich cultural legacy, blend of old and new, cultural landscape, coexistence of tradition and modernity, harmonious contrast, thrives in urban centers, seamlessly intertwined, preserves historical legacy, symbolizes values, aesthetic experience, meticulous rituals, meticulous precision, creative craftsmanship, artistic mastery, expresses creativity, visual beauty. Globally renowned event, symbolic celebrations, transcendent beauty. Proper etiquette, social hierarchy, polite gestures. And finally, today we have our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at this at home and put them into your own words. What's the country you want to know more about? Instead, which nation are you interested in learning more about? Where is it located? Instead, you could say, what is this geographical location? How do you have information about it? By what means did you gather knowledge about it? In paraphrasing statements, Japan is known for its blend of modern innovations and traditional values. Japan is renowned for harmoniously integrating contemporary advancements and age-old cultural beliefs. Festivals in Japan have a symbolic meaning that attract both tourists and locals. Instead, celebrations in Japan commonly possess symbolic connotations, drawing the attention of both visitors and residents. And lastly, paraphrasing descriptions, which are on your own form. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one.